Hi guys, today is the last day of our exponent rules. It is 1.7 notes. So these two rules are probably the easiest of the two rules, which is good, yay. So let's read this one. This one is called the zero exponent property. That means any number to the zero power is one. So how easy could that be? So let's look here. 46 to the zero power equals one. Negative 10 to the zero power equals 1. Here we go. We have 2 times 4 to the 0 power. Since 4 to the 0 power is 1, 2 times 1 is 2. That would be your answer. Look at this nice one. This whole unit, 12x squared, y to the 4th, over 5x cubed, y to the 6th. All of that is to the 0 power, which means it's 1. Then we're going to do it where it's a little bit more chopped up here. So we have 3, and then we have x, and we're going to do our division first. So we have 2 to the 2, which brings down here is 0. Y is 6 minus 1, and z to the 0. So we have 3 times x to the 0, y to the 5th, times z to the 0. 3 stays as 3, x to the 0 is 1, y to the 5th stays the same, and z to the 0 is 1. So your answer would be 3y to the 5th. All right, and then here comes our last rule, guys, and this is the negative exponent rule. So it means when you have any negative exponent, you are going to put it to the bottom. So for example, a to the negative n is equal to 1 over a to the n. Okay, or just the other way around. If you have 1 over a to the negative n, it's equal to a to the n. So let's see what this looks like. So if we're looking here, 9 to the negative 2, you're going to write it as 1/9 squared. The next one, 6 to the negative 4, you're going to write it as 1 over 6 to the 4th. All right, let's keep going. This one's going to switch it all up here. 12 times x to the 0 times x to the negative 4. So first thing we're going to do is write our 12. X to the 0 is 1. And then, and then x to the negative 4 is 1 over x to the 4. So since 12 times 1 is 12, your answer would be x to the 4th. So your answer is 12 over x to the 4th. Then our very last one, 1 over 4 to the negative 2, you're just going to bring it up, so you would get 4 to the squared equals 16. Then there's a little bonus question. You're not going to have any like this. I didn't make any this hard where we have to evaluate. But here's a problem for you just to look at. And it says negative 5 times x to the negative 3. So we're going to get negative 5 times 1 over x to the 3rd, negative 5 over x to the 3rd, and then it tells us that x is 10. So if we put 10 in for x, we get negative 5 over 1,000, which is negative 1 over 200. And that would be your answer. But again, guys, this is not it. All right, so I think you have a couple more problems for today to do than normal. Half are the 0 rule and half are the negative rule. Finish that document today. Tomorrow you'll be doing a study guide. Thursday is the parade, and Friday will be your test or your quiz. All right, guys, have a good day.